Question 3. Choose the correct description for the equation x equals -3 on the coordinate plane. So we just saw this, okay, in the previous video. I'll show you a quick sketch of a graph, just in case if you did not see that. Okay, when I think of the graph x equals -3, I think of all the points where the value for x is -3. So here's -3 on my x-axis. This point has -3 as the x value, and all the points above it share the same x value of -3. So this whole line is x equals -3, and that is a vertical line. So the answer is vertical line. I'm going to include the next two questions in the same video because they're all kind of connected. Okay, so now we have choose the correct description for the equation y equals 6. Well, this is the opposite. Here we have a value on the y-axis. If that's y equals 6, this has the output of 6, the y value of 6. This point has a y value of 6. All of these points horizontally have the y value of 6. So this is a horizontal line. Question 5. Choose the correct description for the equation x minus y equals 0. Well, it's not a vertical line because a vertical line would be, we saw would be like x equals. If it said x equals 0, that would be a vertical line. It's not a horizontal line. That would be if we had, let's say, y equals 0 or y equals any number. Is it a line containing the origin? Well, let's think about that. What's the origin? Well, the origin is that point that has x is 0 and y is 0. Does this point satisfy this equation? Let's see, we have x minus y equals 0. If I put the point 0, 0, the origin, into this equation, will I get a true statement? Well, let's put in 0 for x and 0 for y. I see 0 minus 0, or 0 equals 0. Is that correct? Yes, that's correct. So this is a line containing the origin, okay? And obviously it's not a point. A point would be x comma y, okay? So x minus y equals 0 is a line containing the origin.